Is your QuickBooks bank feed stuck, leaving you with outdated transactions? If the silence from your banking tab is driving you crazy, you're not alone. Today, we're troubleshooting a bank feed that's not updating. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. A stalled bank feed is usually caused by one of three things: a connection issue, a security prompt from your bank, or a problem on QuickBooks end. First, try the simple reset. In the Banking tab, find the problematic account and click Update. If that does nothing, try disconnecting and reconnecting the feed. QuickBooks will often resync and pull in all the missing transactions. Second, check for bank-side alerts. Log in directly to your online banking portal. Your bank may be showing a security notice or requiring you to re-authenticate. Once you clear that on their website, the connection to QuickBooks often resolves itself. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: use the Update screen's error messages. When you click Update, pay close attention to any error messages that appear. They are your best clue. They might say, authentication error, which means your bank login has changed, or temporarily unavailable, which suggests a problem on the bank side that requires waiting. So, just like that, you have a logical process to get your transactions flowing again. A working bank feed goes a long way in keeping your books current without manual entry. Now I'm curious, which bank do you use, and have you ever had persistent feed issues with it? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.